Good afternoon, everyone. It is class number 10. We now only have 6 classes left before we, oh no, well, actually, if you think about it, 5 classes left, and then we have the final test. Nothing too difficult or different this week. You have your chapter 9 task answers. You have the reading in Japanese to make sure that you understand it. And then you have your class 10 homework. No big deal, but do remember that you have your listening quiz from last week. I checked today, and it turns out that a lot of people, well, okay, 20 people. Well, that still means about 5 people haven't done it yet. And I would like just to remind you that that is due tonight. Okay, tonight, December 15th. The listening quiz if you haven't done it yet. Otherwise, just make sure that you do your homework for this week. And that's all that we have to do. We have one more class in December on the 22nd, but that's until next week. And if you have any questions, please remember to check my email. If not, you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay. Thanks very much.